Hey guys, so I am back with another video. I wanted to give you guys another update on how things are going since we have moved in. It's been a little bit over a month, maybe about a month and a half now, since we moved in, and I just wanted to give you guys an update as far as what we've done. House is pretty much decorated. There's a couple of things here and there that we are still working on, but I am actually sitting here in my backyard. It's just so hard to explain or describe the feeling of sitting in your backyard, in your house, you know. Now I guess reflecting back on, you know, everything that we did and how hard we worked just to buy the house, and now that we're here, we're enjoying it. We're just enjoying it, honestly, making this house our own, our style, to fit us. So right now, like I said, I'm in my backyard. My husband got off early earlier today. I want to say like around 11:30. He did half a day at work, and then he got home and cut grass. We weeded the grass and the edges and stuff like that. But I wanted to share with you guys what I'm getting ready to do. We are, you know, one of the things that I remember talking about when we were living in the townhome was, man, how much I wanted to start a garden, how much I wanted to grow fruit trees. Not a lot of stuff, but you know, just, you know, stuff like that. So I ordered some stuff from Home Depot to, you know, get a garden bed. Now I don't want to go crazy, so I'm only going to do one for right now, and it's a pretty big size. Well, to me it's a pretty decent size. I don't want to go like too gung-ho because I'm scared that I'm gonna flop, so I want to make a modest garden. But hi, so I wanted to show you guys how it looks so far. That is how, yeah, I know. So this is how it looks so far. It's something that we put together so far, but I wanted to show you guys, so I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, but I wanted to show you guys real quick what I have so far. So this was already here in the property, this thing right here. It was actually located where the bed is at. So that was sitting there kind of buried. So the kids helped their dad while he was cutting grass, and they pulled it out, and we well, they put it here. And while we were at Home Depot, I saw this. Well, not me, but Sophia saw this, and my husband saw this, and they were like, oh, this is a pretty decent grill, and it was like $150. So I just couldn't, you know, pass that up. So I ended up getting this this little grill, and then we have that little table, and that is what we had in our townhome. So of course they pulled up what was on the other side where the garden bed is going to be at. They pulled that and put the table there so it has something solid. Eventually we would like to upgrade and maybe put in a slab. I don't know yet, but anyways, this is just us working or starting small, because, you know, of course we don't have a huge budget. You know, we're working with what we got. But anyways, here is the bed. These are cedar wood, red cedar wood, that we ended up picking up. And the cool thing about this is that at first it was like $100 for the wood and the supplies that we ended up getting. But the girl, hold on, let me flip this over. So anyway, sorry. So the girl called me, and she was like, hey, you know, I know that you placed an order, and I wanted to let you know that the order is ready, but you know, the wood, I just wanted to let you know that the wood is not perfect. She's like, it has a little, you know, dents here and there, but they're not perfect, and I don't know what kind of project you're getting ready to do, but I wanted to let you know before you come here and pick it up. And I said, oh no, it's fine. It's okay if it's not perfect, that's fine. She goes, well, you know, I don't like that we're not giving you the best, so we're gonna give you a discount. And I said, girl, say no more, I'll take your discount, shoot. You know, I didn't tell her that we were using it for a garden, but I was just like, oh no, it's okay, you know. And when she mentioned discount, I was like, heck yeah, give me the discount, I'll take the discount. Because, you know, your girl likes the coupon, so obviously if you're gonna give me a discount, your girl's gonna take the discount. So it went from $100 to like 80 bucks. And the most expensive part was, of course, red cedar is not cheap. But I just wanted something that's gonna be pretty good. That's something that's commonly used for a garden. So, and like I said, I didn't want to do something big. I just wanted to do a modest size, not a tiny size either, but like a decent size garden, because I don't know, you know, I'm going blind, like not blind, but you know, I am gonna learn as I go. I did order some worm casting because I did read that that's really, really good for the soil. I'm just gonna order like maybe 8 bags of potting garden soil, and I'm gonna get a big bag of perlite, and then I'm gonna also, you know, mix in the worm castings and stuff like that. My goal, honestly, is to grow tomatoes, bell peppers, cucumbers, hopefully some melons, you know, like a cantaloupe or watermelon. We'll see how that goes. I'm gonna see what else I want to grow, because I don't want to like overcrowd it either, but I want to at least, you know, get a good amount of some veggies from that bed. So hopefully, fingers crossed that I am successful. Oh, I know, that's Nicholas is freaking out because he sees like the planes and stuff. So it's so cute. I honestly, I love now that we're home. You know, it's like the best feeling ever to see my kids, to see my son outside playing, to see my girls outside, just outside lounging around, just, you know, wanting to be outside. This is something that I've been wanting for a while, so I'm actually living it and I'm just enjoying it. But anyways, if you guys are interested in tagging along, I will be updating on my, yeah, it looks like a rocket, it's not a rocket. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in tagging along and watching me hopefully be successful at gardening, then just keep on watching as I upload more and more videos of how my garden is coming along. And but anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys how everything is going. I will put up a video soon about, you know, just a little mini house tour. Like I said, I'm not quite done. I have a couple of things here and there, but overall it feels like home. I'm just so excited and so happy. I just have a few little touches here and there to tie everything together. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will be back with another video soon. Talk to you later. Bye.